Welcome to my dear students and learners. So this is a clarification of some of my explanations. A few of my students and professionals, they asked whether ultrasound is evident to explain the histological findings or not. Even though I am not well, so I have fever, throat pain and neck pain. I am just giving a glimpse of that. So I made one small PPT to explain that. So let us take a pen. Okay. So basically, I am working with for the correlation between histological and ultrasonographic findings of soft tissue tumors. Okay. So generally, there is a question arises that could histological features be seen in USG? Is commonly the answer is no, it's not possible. So if you see the formation of the image and the technology or the dynamics behind the ultrasound, so it is evident that these histological features cannot be revealed in ultrasound. Okay, but because today is our image processing and post processing of the echoes, those can be done using lots of software packages which will further enhance the medical diagnostics. So with regards to soft tissue lesion evaluation, the high resolution ultrasonography were highly sensitive to detect the masses presence, but the specificity for histological discrimination is generally low normally. Therefore, it has not proven useful for differentiating between the benign and malignant conditions. It's very true. Normally, USG images are insufficient to reflect the complexity of the soft tissue mass. The histological constitution of the soft tissue tumor was found to vary even in tumors of the same histopathology. Correct. So it needs further study and the greater details are needed to characterize the differences. So actually, with my girlfriend, with my one class friend, she's a gynecologic oncologist doing her research in Germany. So I am helping her to post process the image for this in this regard. So we initiated, because it is we are working on that. Maybe shortly we are going to publish the paper. Okay, so there was we initiated a study was designed to correlate the details of echo texture with histology in order to obtain the cellular-like resolution of ultrasonography. Okay, we'll try to correlate. So for that I am using MATLAB image processing tools and the wavelet transform. So let us come directly to, because I was awaiting to for the explanation always, rather than going to so much details, it is always better to have some physical result. So it will be very easily understandable. So this is the ultrasound of a male patient of calf nodule. Okay, so here you see this in the tumor region, this tumor region, this we found the hypoechogenicity, correct? And in the margin, this is hyperechoic. And you see this is the histology. So this is the tumor nest, and you see these are the other fat and the connective tissues. Okay. So, and let us see another image. So this is a palpable nodule of a female. So here you see in the tumor zone, this is hypoechoic, correct? And in the margin, it is hyperechoic. And you see it is the histology. It is clearly showed that the lymphoma cell is present, which is a case of malignancy. So based on these two images, because still lot of research and the data collections are going on, through which we will conclude it, and we may one paper is supposed to be published on this in this regard. So I am working on that. So once it is completed and the paper is published, we will share it to you. There, in more specific way, you can understand the concept. So now in case of, if you remember my lecture on endometrial hyperplasia, so there you see in the where the outpouching and the cystically dilation region is there, so there is a hypoechogenicity, but the margins, this area, this is hyperechoic. So if it is, what I mean to say, if the hypoechogenicity, that hypoechogenic region is surrounded by hyperechoic margin, means a hyperechoic lesion zone, then there is a it can be grossly concluded that there will be it's an evidence of carcinoma or malignancy. So this only I was thinking to explain, but we have to wait a few months, and once our complete evaluation is over, we will reveal these things and it will be published in a journal. So hope this short explanation will be useful to you. Thank you so much. Thanks for your patience.